finishing off building my tray.
And what's the plan with the car now since we didn't go to Cliffhanger? We don't have an LS anymore.
I'm trying to get the cunt back on the road. So that's about all it is at the moment. Trying to get it to the fucking A4S Media bloody
event at the end of the year?
Yeah.
We interrupt this program to bring you a special report.
This is Frankie from AS. I can't even get this shit. 150. It's 1,555. What am I going to say? 1555 Melton Highway, Rock Bang. What? Alright. Hey guys, Frankie from A4S Media. December the 15th, 2019, we will be having a A4S Media 4x4 meet down at the Gameskeeper Secret Inn. It is 1555 Melton Highway, Rockbank. We've got a Facebook event page. I'll put it in the links below. It's starting from 11 AM to 2 PM. Hope to see you all there. We have many prizes giving away as we're fundraising for mental health. See you then.
Stick it in the chassis. Yeah, that's gonna work, but it's a fucking bar there.
You have a bender, don't you?
Yeah, but it doesn't bend back out. It doesn't bend backwards.
We can shorten that, yeah.
Yeah, like that. Oh, that fucking looks right. I reckon that's the problem. We need to shorten it a bit more.
Yeah.
I reckon you do it. You know what you're doing.
I don't really.
Neither do I. We did so well on the first one.
It's because we've got people watching us now.
Yeah.
The camera's on, so you're a bit nervous, aren't you?
About there. Something like that.
You need a fucking workbench.
I fucking told you I'd set the table up.
Is that better?
Yeah, it's fucking comfortable. Looked like that before.
Yeah, because this was fucking going on an angle.
I think you need to take 10 mil off the whole lot.
Go on.
This is going to end badly.
I'll fuck around with this bit.
Better run out of fucking cutting bits for this rate.
Nah, not quite. It's getting closer. I reckon still more. Fixed? Yeah, that'll be right. We'll weld a bit in there.
And look at that.
Don't all that.
You'll have to plug it back in.
Oh, fuck!
I'll go find another lead.
Yeah, do that. Never an easy task with Benny, is it?
Oh, it's fucked. When we're working with Dan, it's just like, oh well, that bit's fucked.
Cut it again.
Might have bent back into shape.
Loving the welding gloves.
Don't need them, my hands are that fucking strong these days. Working in an office.
Oh yeah, you fucking office bitch now.
Yeah.
This is hard work for you, ain't it? Okay, we saw Johnny a few weeks back.
Johnny who?
Johnny. Loose cunt Johnny.
Oh yeah, where'd you see him?
He was working on Thompson's Road.
Oh
We were
yeah.
fucking doing a job there.
Good.
Chat to him.
Yeah.
Hey, what's the Rego? Hey Aaron, you ain't getting your fucking welder back.
You got a hammer?
Yeah, what kind?
Big one.
Ain't no fucking whack-a-jack.
Oh no, remember the old whack-a-jack? What happened to that?
Jesus! I don't
Instead
want to break the fucking shit off. What do you got to drink around here, Ben?
There's a fridge in the shed. I don't know
BB.
what's in there? I gotta go buy him some. What do I need to measure for?
Make sure they're exact same.
Ah, wing it. It's way more fun that way.
I don't know how you got me welding. I fucking hate it.
Ooh, that felt nice. You want to hold it up?
Yeah, just hold it there.
Oh, that's hot.
Oh yeah, I was practicing my welds in there.
Thanks. What are you doing in my garden?
Trying to film.
Yeah, my garden.
We're running out of gas.
Are we?
Yep.
At least with a new bottle, you'll get welds like that. A lot easier to fucking clean up.
Sorry, Sean. I had a much better idea. As long as we weld to that side, you're not going to see the other side. Who gives a fuck? It's literally going to fucking... Boom. Well, it'll get welded to that, and then it'll bolt through there. You going to Wild Dog?
Yeah.
I'll fucking see you there.
I will.
He'll be flat out doing busy stuff. John's taking his car up for recovery. Man, fucking a few of the other boys have all got sponsor passes.
Oh, aren't you fancy?
Free food, fucking everything.
Gotta do the same on the other side.
Oh, similar, bit different because this is bigger.
Bit wider.
Yeah. Have that in there. And then when I unbolt it, I'll just have to slide the whole tray back a bit before I can lift the back up.
You're gonna be so much lighter, man. I reckon you lost about 30 kilos.
Saying I was fat?
Yep.
Whoa,
Honesty is the best policy.
you're an asshole.
I'm waiting for my sushi to get here.
Did you actually order sushi?
Yeah.
Heavy as fuck.
Yeah, fucking oath.
This is gonna suck. You're definitely fucked up. What do you mean? That. Yeah, kinked it is.
Sweet and sour sauce?
Yeah.
Oh no!
Dropped the fucking bun on the ground, didn't I?
Oh, you did, yeah.
What are you gonna do now?